What is up, this is Moses William here. Thank you for watching this video and welcome back to my channel MW's Design Strategies. And in this video I will show you how you can create advanced animation in Figma. And so this is another animation tutorial video, and so this is another advanced tutorial video for animations. So if you want to learn how you can create different interaction, new type of interaction and new type of animation in Figma, so watch this video until the end. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. So let's get started with this tutorial. Okay, so let's start with this tutorial, how you can create advanced animation interactions in Figma. So for learning that, you have to watch this video full. Okay, so first we have to get this frame. Okay, so this frame you can create it like this. So this website I'm just showing this showing animation, okay, with this website. Okay, so this is my recent website design. So let me just show you how you can create animations, advanced animation in Figma. So get this new frame and create your frame, okay, like this, to this banner, to this header section. Okay, and then you have to drag it outside of this main frame, and then what you have to do, give some name like header, then right click this and create component. Okay, you have to create component in order to create advanced animation, right, for this website. Okay, then if you click here, then in design side you will see there is a property section on the right side. So click on this properties and create variant. Click on this variant and you will see variant has been created. Now you can click on this plus icon. If you see this below, first variant plus icon, click this and it will duplicate this header for you. Okay, and the second variant we have created. Now what you have to do for and then this creative should be backward like this. So use your keyboard arrows, because with mouse it will go outside of this frame, so we have to create everything inside. So make sure that it should not go outside of this header, this component. Okay, so make this backward like this, just hide it like this, and this one also you can hide. The agency word also you can hide like this with your keyboard arrows. Okay, and this subtext also you can hide forward like this. Okay, so once you hide all your text, then we have to hide this small text like website, mobile app design, this kind of services. So hide this here like this. Okay, and this arrow should be bottom. Okay, so hide it in the bottom. Okay, let's click on your header and create another variant, and it will create another variant for you. And the second one should be the third. Okay, so make it in the last of this component, and the second one you can click on, you can adjust now second variant. Okay, so the second variant you can create your creative text a little bit inside. Okay, so like this, don't make it full, just half of this component. Okay, half of this variant. Okay, now we have to another text we have to create inside this frame like this one. So make it one by one like this. because we have to show advanced interaction here, so that's why I'm saying you have to do this. And now you have to create another variant, so click this variant and you will see there is a plus icon, so click this plus icon and you will see the another variant downwards. So click on this variant and select this select both this variant, and you can do like this. Just this one also should this one always should be at the last, okay, at the bottom. And now just create your text more forward and back, more forward, more inside to this variant like this, okay. So and this one also, by one you can adjust your text, okay. And the subtext also should be inside this variant. Okay, and the last one should be the same, okay. Don't change the last one, okay, just keep it same as it is, as your design, okay. Just create it at the bottom, just drag this at the bottom of this variants, okay. And then once you make all your frames, adjust all your text, then what you have to do is to click the first one and go to the prototype section, and now we have to make its interaction. So if you see this plus circle, then we have to drag and link this circle to the second variant, okay. And if you see the settings, interaction settings, okay, so here on this interaction setting we have to adjust a lot of things, like once you drag and attach this to the second variant, now we have to click on the first tab and make it mouse enter always, okay. Make mouse enter, and then the smart animation should be here, and then this one should be gentle, always keep this gentle, and the millisecond should be 1500 milliseconds, okay. So make sure that all the settings should be correct here, okay. So don't miss and don't make incorrect settings, make it always correct as like here, okay. So use gentle, or you can use quick and bounce slow, so it depends on like how you want the interaction should be, like. So I want just gentle, or maybe yeah, I will use gentle. So let me just show you how it works. So here the second one should be linked with the third one, so link the second one with the third one, and then you will see the settings here, interaction settings, and click on the first drop down. Here you have to select mouse enter. Once you select mouse enter, then keep this setting smart animation gentle 1500 milliseconds, and then the third one should be linked with the fourth one, same settings, mouse enter, smart animation gentle 1500 milliseconds. Once you've done all the settings, now we have to play this. So once you make all your interaction text, once you adjusted all your text, and once you create all the prototype interactions and all these kind of things, then we have to select the first variant and copy your variant, then paste it in your original frame like this. Once you paste it, then create its flow and then play this. Once you play this, you will see the interaction here, and here you will see the interaction like this. You can see how it's coming from all the sides where we have set it all our fonts and icons, right? So that's how you can create this animation in your design, okay. So let me just show you the another animation, another advanced animation with these circles, how you can create this, okay. So first of all, again select this frame, create your frame like this, and then drag this frame outside like this, okay. Now give and this frame name should be section, we can say section second. And then we have to create component. Once you create the component, then duplicate just click on the properties section and create variant, and then click on the plus variant, first variant, add variant like this. And then same, you have to do the procedure again, create your font outside or invisible like this. So first variant should be empty. Just hide all your text wherever you want it to become. So it will come from backward, forward and backward, from left and right side. So this heading will become from the left side, and this subtext should become from the right side. Okay, so make sure that your settings should be according to the animation. Okay, so if you want this text to become from top, then you can make it, then you can hide this text like this. So I want it to become from left side, that's why I add it like this. And then this circle should be, first of all, group your circles. Okay, just group your circles, and then this circle should come from left, from right and left. Okay, hide your circles completely. And this one from the bottom. Okay, once you've done this, then the second variant we have to create again. Okay, and in this second variant, make our text a little bit visible like this. And your circles also should be a little bit visible, as I told you in my previous animation, a little bit visible. Okay, like this. So once you've done this, then the third one should be the same as in your design. And then we have to create the prototype. Go to a prototype section and click on this first variant and attach this to the second one. Okay, keep the settings 1500 ms, gentle, smart animation, and it should be, the first drop down should be mouse enter. Again, mouse enter. Yeah, so again it should be mouse enter, right? Mouse enter, smart animation, gentle. And then you have to paste the first variant inside our main frame. This is default, so paste it in your original frame, original design frame, right? And then you can play your prototype and you will see the animation interactions, advanced animation interactions, right? Like this. And when you scroll, you will see the interaction. So that's how you can create this smart and advanced Figma animation. So this is really new in the market, in the industry. Okay, so you can learn this animation, and if you have any clients or anyone, then you can impress your clients, and you can also do the best interaction. You can create the best interaction in your offices or wherever you work. So this will really helpful if you watch all this full video, okay, and watch my other videos, okay, because I create this kind of new things on my channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So let me again show you how it works. Let me play the prototype and you will see the animation. Okay, so that's how you can create your smart advanced animation in Figma. So if you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and like all my videos. Also watch other videos as well to learn more about Figma and the design. And soon I will create more videos related to UI and UX designs, okay, and the new Figma tricks and tips. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye.